Hi guys, how are you today? Today is March 20, sa galing? 23. And I'm here in the room here with In. Hi, nawak na tanong sa camera.
Hello.
That's In. And we're so busy here guys. We just arrived from town, me and Philip. We bought some animals food. And we're here in the room. This is where Ondoy sleeping and in also. This is a big room, but you know already the roof is short. And let's see. I'm going to show you guys what we're doing here. And I'll be back. Here we go. Look at the mess here. And then have so many clothes here. And she gave me some clothes here too. We will giving clothes today to my neighbor. Daile. We will giving some clothes. In will keep some because she will going to Australia next month. Daile. We were giving away some clothes here. Yeah. Then that container that's enclosed, we'll just keep it. My bra.
Wow,
Kani ihatag po din.
ay, ako rin
Hi kay Marins. Yeah, and so giving. She gave me clothes to. No need to buy. These are the clothes that she gave to me. For a house clothes and for outside.
Makita ng kuwanan eh.
We're so busy. Okay, guys. Oh, kana kanin nice in. We were going to my neighbor, our friend, or close here, Joby and Marites today, because we gonna meet Joby. It's been a long time that we don't have a together gathering. It is so hot outside, and today we're going to we'll just stay at home and go to Jovy's house. Not really spending time outside. It's too hot. Hi guys. This is lipstick. I wanna put this one, try to my lips if this is anyway. Good for is looking is fit with me. So I'll be back guys. Hi, here it is. First time I put lipstick on my lips. I am not used to it. Ito lang. Kita ni Kuya and mamasok. Is that nice, guys? Super red. I'm not sure what's the. In give this one to me from Avon. This is liquid lip liquor meat. Meat, the color. Meat. Huh? Matte ini. Oh, sige, matte. Matte daw ko no, matte. Here. I'm not sure if you can see here. Nice lipstick. So, might be I'm going to put lipstick every time I go out. Crazy. We're just having fun here, showing what it looks like, the lipstick on my lips. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching my video. That's all for today. Just getting crazy here.
Naghatag na to niya. Video hapon mo.
Huh?
Naghatag sa sanya.
Oh. Bye.
Si Joby sa
I
number.
think I'm in drugs here. I'm just having fun here to my hair.
Sa doy? Ika na ni mo?
Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching my video.
Ha?